अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये आपका मेज़बान डॉक्टर वसी आपके दूसरे एपिसोड के साथ देसी टेबल टॉक का दूसरा एपिसोड आपके सामने हाजिर है एंड आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। आज का टॉपिक बहुत पर्टिनेंट है, बहुत अहम है, हर एक इसके बारे में बात करता कुछ नहीं है। एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट ओबेसिटी। तो ओबेसिटी, मोटापा, चर्बी, बड़ा हजम, बहुत से टर्म्स यूज़ होती हैं, मगर लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ओबेसिटी एंड try to get some information out to you in 5 to 7 minutes. जो सबसे अहम चीज़ है, if you compare obesity, I compare it to COVID. COVID is a pandemic, obesity is an epidemic. COVID can kill, obesity can kill as well. COVID can affect different organs in the body. Obesity will do the same. Covering your mouth and nose can prevent COVID infection. Covering your mouth and nose can prevent obesity as well. The difference is there is a vaccine for COVID. There is no vaccine for obesity. There is no treatment for COVID, but there is treatment for obesity. So hopefully I have grabbed your attention with this comparison that I just made between COVID and obesity. Again, what is obesity? Obesity basically को define करते हैं now उसका जो measure है that is basically called body mass index or BMI, and normally anybody with BMI of less than 25 is considered non-obese or not overweight. But anybody between 25 and 30 body mass index is considered overweight, and anybody more than 30 is considered obese. So अगर हम अपनी community को देखें तो most of the people will fall somewhere in the overweight or obese category. So at least 70% of us are either overweight or obese. And the reason for this is our lifestyle, our choices of food, the way we cook food. हम अच्छे खासे healthy चीज़ें, vegetables और meats को लेके उनको तल के उनमें घी तेल मिला के मसाले नमक मिला के उसको अपने लिए ऐसा कर देते हैं कि वो फ़ायदे के बजाय नुकसान पहुंचाता है। तो कुछ numbers मैं आपको दूंगा जो कि that will help you think in terms of how you gain weight and how you can lose weight. So anybody who is trying to maintain weight should not consume more than 2200 calories for women per day and 2900 to 3000 calories for men per day. अगर तो आप weight lose करना चाहते हैं, if you want to lose 1 pound of body weight, you have to either burn 500 calories per day or you have to consume 500 less calories per day, and that is just to lose 1 pound. And that 1 pound is not per day. That 1 pound weight loss will be in a week, because to burn or to lose 1 pound of body weight, you need to lose or burn 3500 calories. So if you are burning 500 calories a day, in 7 days you would have burned 3500 calories, which equals to 1 pound weight loss. Or you can cut down 500 calories per day of what you eat, and in 7 days you would have lost, or you would have consumed 3500 less calories, and you would have lost a pound of weight. तो उसमें कुछ चीज़ें जो हम बहुत commonly यूज़ करते हैं उनकी मैं आपको बताऊं कैलोरी काउंट। जैसे कि समोसा is widely used in the South Asians, and that roughly is about 320 calories. Butter chicken, a small serving, is about 490 calories. One slice of pizza is 285 calories, or एक gulab jamun is 125 calories. So this gives you some perspective as to the foods we eat. Even the small amount of what we eat may pack a lot of calories. So anytime we pick up something to eat, we need to pay attention to what is it that we are eating and how many calories it's going to give to us, and do we really need those calories if we are trying to maintain or lose weight. इसके लिए जो सबसे अहम चीज़ है ना, वो हमारा लाइफस्टाइल है, because most of our gatherings are geared, or they are planned around food. So we plan about food and what we are going to serve and what we are going to eat before we even plan any gathering. And we should not blame anybody or anything if we are gaining weight or if we are not able to lose weight, but we should blame ourselves and the bad food choices that we make. So what can we do? What can we do? As I said, exercising more, burning more calories, consuming less calories. If you have a negative caloric balance, you will lose weight. So cut down on portions, cut down on bad food choices, eat slow, because for brain to realize that your stomach is filling up, it takes 6 to 8 minutes. So the faster you eat, the less time brain has had to realize that food is now going in the stomach and stomach is filling up. So आप जितना तेजी से खाना खाएंगे उतना ज़्यादा खाना खाया जाएगा. The slower you eat, the less you will eat. The other thing is, of course, exercising more. मैंने अभी जैसे कि पहले कहा, if you burn 500 calories a day, you would have burned 3,500 calories in a week. That equals to a pound of weight loss. So the motto that we should have should be that we should eat to live and not live to eat. और एक और घिसा पिटा जुमला जो बहुत यूज़ होता है वो है few seconds on the lips, forever on the hips. So I hope I have given you some numbers and I have given you some reason to start looking at what you eat, how you eat. Do we exercise? Do we not exercise? Should we exercise more? Of course, there are so many different diseases that are directly or indirectly related to weight gain. It's very important that we try to look at what we are eating, look at our lifestyle, exercises, food choices, and make a difference in our lives and stay healthy. And we will be talking more about this in the future programs, but I just wanted to give you some food for thought, and I hope this was of some benefit to you all. तो इसके साथ ही प्रोग्राम मैं बंद करता हूँ, मगर प्रोग्राम बंद करने से पहले I want to thank all of you who have subscribed, liked and shared this video. I would like you to please hit the bell icon, tell your friends and family, tell your neighbors, have them subscribe to our channel, because this is just something that we will be doing to help you all, and that is the main idea, is to educate the viewers. So the disclaimer is, this program does not constitute a doctor-patient relationship between you and me, and that this is purely educational, and that this is not in any way advising you regarding any treatment or giving you any medical advice. तो अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा, फिर इंशाल्लाह मुलाकात होगी episode 3 में, and I hope you enjoyed the show. Please spread the word, and खुदा हाफिज़.